This video will show you how to replace the front turn signal bulbs, 2019 Kia Niro. Okay, so now we're going to replace this turn signal bulb, which is inside the housing. I'll show you how we do that. So this car has got an access panel right here on the side of the housing. You're going to turn that, maybe about a quarter of a turn, if you can, and then that will come off. It's got 4 little ears around the perimeter. So if you're turning this a little at a time and trying to pull it out and it never seems to release, then it's okay to gently go in here with your flat blade screwdriver and just pry it just a little bit, just to make sure that those ears aren't still engaged. You can't force it because then you'll break it. But if it seems a little bit tricky to get out, you might need to do this. Just a quick little turn with a screwdriver, because you may have this rubber O-ring might be a little bit stuck. But again, just do that gently if you have to. So now, okay, so you got that orange plug there, or that orange light housing. What we got to do now, it's a tight fit. You got to reach in there, twist that to the left, and that will actually release that bulb. What I may actually do here on this side is I will probably just pull off this bracket, because this bracket's kind of in my way. So I'll use a 10 mil right there, pull that out. Now with that port out of the way, okay, just set it on the side. Got a lot more access here to reach up here with my fingers, twist that bulb socket. I'll show you what's going to happen here. You can pull it right out through the back. It is tricky, it's kind of a tight spot, but it's doable. Okay, so now you have the bulb there. So now you can give it a twist to the left, pull it out. That bulb is a 2357. And it is dual filament, so it's for your parking lamps and your turn signals, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna clean this bulb off with some rubbing alcohol. I've already been wearing gloves for this project, but I'm gonna clean this bulb off with rubbing alcohol, dry it real good, set it back in, put it back up in that housing, give a twist to the right, lock it in, and that's it.